Welcome to Credentia, your partner for success in nurse aid credentialing. In this video, you will learn how to schedule and view the results of your exam. Upon approval of your submitted new application, you can register or schedule your exams. Navigate to the exam schedule section and click Register for Exam or Reschedule button to schedule for an exam. First, choose an exam type to schedule. You can take the exam in your preferred order and must only schedule one exam at a time. Next, choose your preferred location for the exam, online or at a test center. Note that the online exam option is only available for certain exam types and test center options may vary by state. If you have opted for the online option, you must enter your time zone and your preferred date to find an available slot. This narrows the available exam slots to your preferred dates. You can use the available search filters to find the best exam slots. If you have selected the test center option, in the date range section, you must select a date range where you would want to find an exam slot. This filter will assist you in conducting a custom search using a mileage radius or a test center code. Once you have added your filter preference, hit search. The result shows only available slots for the date range. Choose a slot from the result to proceed. Click on Add Cart to save the selection and pay for the exam. Once you have successfully added your selection, click the cart icon to complete the payment process. Ensure you have the correct selection on the cart and click the Pay Now button. On the payment page, fill in the payment details and complete your payment. If you have a voucher, it can be used towards payment to finalize scheduling. Enter the voucher number in the promo code section and click Apply Code. Once filled, click the Pay or Schedule button to complete. If you have scheduled an exam, you can view its details in the exam schedule section. All the exam details are displayed in its info box. If you have scheduled an online exam, you can start your exam from this section at the scheduled date and time. Note that the Start Exam window opens 3 hours prior to your scheduled time. This allows you to start the exam at your convenience. Do you want to view the results of your exam? Note that the result of your exam is announced 24 hours after completion. To view the result of your completed exam, go to the exam schedule section and find the exam, where you can click on the Show Result button to view the result. Make sure to check the emails you registered with, as we also send notification alerts. For further details or assistance, explore our self-help guides.